All right, guys, this is Mark at Ohio Multicade, and today we're going to show you how to do a setup for your 2100 game system. Usually here at the shop we'll set them up for you, but if you want to know how to do it yourself, this is exactly how to do it. So here is a 2100 game system that's going to be going out today, a beautiful one, by the way. And so the first thing you want to do is turn your machine off. You want to open your coin door up, and inside the coin door you're going to see where my finger is a dip switch settings. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when you go into that, you want to only push the number 4 switch, which is all the way at the top or in the back. You want to switch it to the left. The other 3, 1, 2, and 3, should stay at the right. Once you've done that, then what you want to do is turn on, well, before you do that, you're also going to get this connection cord, and with it, you're going to have a little bit of you're going to have a settings board as well. So, these are what they look like, and you want to take the pink strip off and the rubber band off, and then what you're going to do, I'm going to show you here, you want to connect the end of this. There's going to be a little lip on it, a little tooth piece on it, so you can only plug this in one way. You want to plug it into your settings board. You want to set it, you want to plug it into this. So once you get that plugged in, this is what it's going to look like. It should snap into place there. And then on the other side of that, you're going to have another plug. You want to open your coin door. And inside, you're going to see that there is a plug-in system right here by the fan. Right in front of the fan. You see that plug-in system. I'll point to it. It is right here. And it can only go in one way as well. You want to make sure you plug it in the proper way. It only plugs in one way. Once you get that plugged in, then you want to go to the back of the machine. Right here you're going to see you got an on and off switch and 2 settings buttons. You don't have to worry about the settings buttons. All you want to do is turn that machine on. Would be good if I had something to plug it into. Let me see. Oh, I think I got something over here. Yeah, I can edit it also. Oh, sweet, yeah. So, there's your on and off switch. Turn that switch on. When you turn it on, your marquee is going to light up first, and then your screen and your lights. There'll always be a little bit of a hesitation in that, but there's nothing unnormal about that. That's the way it will always turn on. You'll see a little light, green light will come on your machine. But just make sure your plug is plugged in there properly and plugged into your settings bar. Now, once that happens, your machine is going to take a couple minutes to boot up because it's kind of a hard drive JAMA system hybrid. So you'll see Baby Star on there come up. And then after that, it's going to say system loading. Takes a couple minutes. See system loading. And then your game board will show up. This is the menu. That's when you want to pick up your settings bar that's connected. And on this settings bar, you're going to see a button. You're going to see a button that says Setup. It's the second one here. See where it says Setup? You want to push that button. And when you push that button, the screen is going to change. It's going to say System Setting, Video Mode. You want to go down to Game List Setting using your Player One joystick, and then hit the Player One white button, and then you're going to see Game List Setting. You want to go down here to Show Hide Game List. So use your number one joystick, go to hit Player One Start, and then you're going to see Show and Hide Game List. Everything that's highlighted in gray is hidden. Everything highlighted in black is showing. So all you'll do is you'll use your Player One joystick to scroll through and highlight each one that you want to show. So all games, scroll through to vertical games, highlight it in black, and the adult games if you want those games on. You can also go through and hide any of these categories that you don't want on your machine. And then once you're finished, go down to Exit and hit your Player One Start button. And then scroll up to Save Current Game List, and then hit your Player One Start button again. It'll save. It'll ask you, do you want to save, yes or no? Hit yes. Once that saves, then you want to scroll down. It'll say Game List Save. Then you want to scroll down to Back to Main Menu, hit your Player One Start button, and then go to Exit, hit that button, and now your game is set up. Now you can play the game. Before you do that, however, now you want to turn the machine off. So you come back here again, turn that machine off, and then go to the inside of your game system, and that Player 4 toggle switch, this dip switch, you want to switch that back to the right. You want to switch that back so all 4 dip switch buttons are to the right. Once you do that, then you can turn your machine back on and allow it to reboot and start up, and then your game is ready to play. It's on free play. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you're interested in any games, we've got plenty of games. These are all custom built. You can see this one here has a nice theme. This one here is a Golden Tee style wood grain look. And then we have here an Ohio State one. We got all kinds of machines going out in the stage process of being built. And we got guys screwing off over here, and they don't want to be seen. So for Ohio Moldicade, just check us out. Call us at 1-877-310-3322 or look up the website, ohiomoldicade.com.
We love it.